All right, this is session 2 of lesson 15, multiply to find area. And we've been working on the multiplication facts, so okay, this is right up our alley. Wait a minute. Interesting. It says use inch tiles to model the rectangle and find its area. But there's no squares inside here. How would I find the area? Length times width, right? So it's
equals L times W.
like that, right? Area equals length times width. Okay. So what's the length? 6. What's the width? 3. What's that? 18. Even though I don't see 18 squares inside, I could find the area still by using the formula length times width. Okay? All right. Perfect. You guys are fabulous. So it says find the area of the rectangle. So again, can you tell me what's the formula? Length times width. So go ahead and find the area of this rectangle. I'll give you. So length is 4 times 2 is what, everybody? 8. I could have drawn a line across to make 2 and then 3 lines down to make 4, but that'll take forever. So area is length times width. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. So it says you can use square tiles, which I could have. Okay. And then just counted all the squares. Okay. The area of 1 square equals 1 square centimeter. So in this case, how many centimeters do I have? 8. 8 square centimeters. So it would be like this. The video was going to tell you that every time for example, it's 8 cm, okay, and then there's a little 2 here in the corner like this. The little 2 in the corner tells me that is square centimeters, okay. If it was inches, it would be in with a little 2 there. As long as you have the little 2 there, that tells me that's square, whatever the measurement is. In this case, is centimeters square, okay. All right, you can also use multiplication equation to find the area, which we did already, right? What's that? What was the multiplication equation? I know, but what was the length?
4
Times what? 2,
2.
which we have it right here. Okay, which the length was 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The width was 2, 1, 2, up and down, and that's how we got area equals 4 times 2, which is 8. So on page 321, okay, it says how many 1 centimeter squares fit along the length of the rectangle? Well, go back to this. The length across. How many were across? 4. Thanks. Okay. 4. So the length of the rectangle is how many centimeters? The length across. Across. 4. Just across right now. Okay. Now how many centimeters fit along the width? Up, down. Down.
2.
Okay. You need to look at your page on page 320 at the bottom. So across was 4, and then down the width was 2. If the width was 2, how many centimeters? 2. Same thing. Okay. What does the problem ask you to find? We need to find what? The area. Okay. So the length was what again? 4 times, what was the width? 2 equals what? 8. Okay, so the area of the rectangle is 8 square centimeters. All right, so what is the square? What is the area of the square? Okay, we'll give you a excellent. So what's the area? 9. How'd you find it?
3 times 3 equals 9.
Great, equals 9. Okay, length times width equals area, right? Or area equals length times width. But how about Shay has a rectangle of 5 centimeters long. The area of the rectangle is so like this. This is what she has. Okay, she has. Okay, she has a rectangle that's 5 centimeters long right here. Okay, the area is 10. So again, we have area equals length. What's the length in this? 5 times, whoa, times W, because do we know the width yet? No. But we do know what the area is. What's the area? 10. Whoops. 10. So 5 times what gives me 10? 2. So it says, what is the width of the rectangle? 2. No, the width. We already have the area, right? Because it says, look, it says area is 10 square centimeters. We already have A. We just don't know what this side is. So if I plug, if the formula is A equals length, length times width, okay, times width, okay, length times width. We already have the length was 5, right? Okay, but we didn't know what the width was, right? And they told us that the area was 10, right? So I need to find out what 10 equals 5 times what? Well, we just told me, what was it? 2. And then it says has a rectangle. The length is 8 right here. The width is 6. What's the area then? Anybody? Tell me. 48, because it's 8 times 6, right? 8 times 6. 48. Okay.